It's the most annoying feature in modern cars, and it might be slowly killing your engine. I'm talking about auto start-stop, the so-called ecosystem that shuts your engine off at every light. Sure, it's supposed to save fuel, but in reality, it adds complexity, extra costs, and in some cases, it's wearing your engine out, one restart at a time. Start-stop systems weren't born out of passion or clever engineering. They were born out of regulation. Euro 6 emissions rules pushed automakers to chase lower CO2 numbers at any cost, even if the tech wasn't ready. On paper, it looks good. 5 to 10% savings in city fuel economy, lower emissions on the test bench. But in the real world, the gains are tiny. The trade-off, steeper maintenance bills, from batteries and starters to tensioners, and in some cases, entire engines. BMW was quick to jump on start-stop, branding it efficient dynamics. But underneath that eco-friendly marketing were some real issues. Certain N-series engines, particularly the 4-cylinders, suffered from a flaw. Every restart meant a moment of metal-on-metal contact at the rod bearings before oil pressure could build. Add stress on already sensitive timing chain tensioners, and you've got a recipe for early failure. I know from experience, my own BMW 1 Series, a well-serviced, great-running car with under 200,000 kilometers, seized without warning at a red light the moment start-stop activated. Later B-Series engines fixed this with coated bearings and improved components. A quiet fix and a silent admission that the early versions had a problem. At least BMW learned from it, and the newer engines are far more reliable. Let's take a look at how other automakers are handling it. Mercedes uses a dual battery setup with a small auxiliary battery handling stop-start duty. It works well if maintained, but still adds complexity. Volkswagen and Audi offer smooth, generally reliable systems, but they still accelerate battery wear. Mazda's iStop uses combustion pressure instead of a starter for restarts, but it's picky about battery health. Honda's V6 setup struggled with harsh restarts, premature wear and failures. Even though these systems tend to run smoother than BMW's early attempts and aren't known for such catastrophic engine damage, they still add stress and wear to key components, meaning higher service bills over time. Toyota takes a more conservative, reliable approach. Their petrol start-stop engages only in ideal conditions, using robust starters and smart battery management to avoid unnecessary wear. Start-stop adds weight, complexity, and cost. AGM batteries cost twice as much, wear out faster, and many cars need to relearn after replacement. The extra strain hits flywheels, mounts, bearings, and chains, parts once expected to last the life of the car. Yes, newer systems are better, but the cost and complexity remain. My advice? Code it out so it defaults to off every time you start the car. In the end, start-stop exists to make test results look good, not your ownership experience. It adds wear, complexity, and annoyance, all to save maybe half a liter of fuel per 100 kilometers in traffic. Efficiency is fine, but not at the cost of reliability. Leave it to hybrids that are designed for it. For the rest of us, keep your engine running and keep the spirit of driving alive. Thanks for watching.